how to post videos in a Facebook group. Just before we head straight into the video, if you're new to this channel, you want to consider subscribing to the channel. Also, turn on the notification icon so you don't get to miss out on any of our recent updates. And if you find this video helpful, you want to give us a thumbs up. With this being said, let's hop straight into it. So you want to go straight into your Facebook app, and in the Facebook app, you'll find you want to head straight to the profile, your profile image. You want to head straight for your profile image. From there, you want to click on groups, and you want to click on any of the groups you want to make your post. So let's click on this, mathematics, and here navigate to where it says write something. If it's image you want to just post, you can just click on the image option, and you can post the image. And if it's you just want to write text, you can just write the text. All right, and you can just click on post over there, and you just go back. When you click on post, it automatically uploads into the group. Some groups require that your post is being approved by your admin, while some doesn't require that. So let me know what you think about why some doesn't require that. This is to post videos in a Facebook